Hello again. Let me talk about W sound, okay? W sound, guys, in English is some kind of problematic because normally, if the W normally is at the end of the word, people do not pronounce it, okay? For example, the word show. Here in Turkey, Turkish students say shov, for example, I shove you, or yesterday I saw you. I saw you, for example. I mean, you do not need to say like that. Just eliminate it, just omit the W sound, like I show you. Yesterday I saw you. For example, open the window. It is not window. Okay, this is very, very important. Another important thing about W is the way you have to pronounce it. It is not v, it is w. What happens, you are saying like ooh, and then you open your mouth like w, like that, like window. It is a kind of show, window, or it is a kind of when, okay? Next word is Wednesday. I go to school on Wednesday. It is not Wednesday, it is not v. I go to work, see, w. I go to work. It is not correct to say I go to work. It is not, but I cannot say that. Work. I go to work. Okay. You need to practice it like w. You see the u, like the circle. W. Like w. Work. Wednesday. When. When is your birthday? When.